Garmajoba. Brian here with Georgia Real Estate. Coming back to you in the kitchen, making a lot of echo noise because there's nothing in here yet. Still working on it, slowly. I'm working on the bedroom right now, but I've been thinking for a long time. I used to see a lot of unboxing on different YouTube channels. People get something in the mail or something, they buy something, and they unbox it on the video. I don't see that too much lately anymore. I don't know why. Everyone loves unboxing. Anyway, now I'm gonna do an unboxing, and it should be very exciting, I guess. Anyway, I don't know what it is. Well, I might not know what it is. So let's get the box and open it together, shall we? So here it is. So here it is. It's a pretty big box. It's kind of already open, but so I maybe know what it is already. But in Georgia, when you buy something, they open it up and they test it for you, make sure it works. So it's kind of already pre-opened, but you might not know what it is. Let's see if I can take it out. Maybe you can guess what it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's one of them fancy oil-filled radiators to heat a room up. Oh, this is great news. Let's fix this camera a little bit better so you can get a better view. There we go. Look at this thing. Look at this baby. I've been looking for one of these for the longest time. I would go to different stores, ask for it, show them pictures. Nobody has it. I come up here, go to a few people's homes. I saw one guy has it. I said, "Where'd you buy that?" He said, "In this store." I said, "I was in that store. They don't have it." So and he says, "Well, I'll give you mine, but it's broken." I said, "Well, I don't want it because it's yours, and two, it's broken, so I really can't do much with it." But here it is. I've been looking for this for the longest time. Comes with some fancy wheels so you can roll it around. That's great. What else we got in here? This is good stuff. This is for the wheels. Another wheel. We got 3 wheels. Got a bag that's open. We got the clamp, part of the clamp for the base of the wheels. Got some styrofoam in a bag. Don't really need that so much. We got the rest, the other wheel. Now we can roll it better. The other clamp. And something else I stuck in there from before. And then something else I stuck in there from before. Alright, that's this one. So there it is. We got a fancy oil-filled electric radiator just in time because today, early this morning, it was actually kind of warm. Early afternoon, warm, sunny. About 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like a mini cold front came through. And it's cold out now. So I got this thing just in time. Got it yesterday, actually. Oh, it's pretty heavy, too. It's good or bad. So here it is. We'll stick it together so I can figure it out. I don't think it should be that difficult. Where is it? It's the right way here. This probably goes as such. Let me check what's going on here. Like that. That probably goes like that. see. No instructions for me, hopefully I don't need it. But I might. Take off this swing nut here. Everybody likes box openings and putting things together. I gotta do more of it. If you don't like it, tell me, I won't do it. Kind of the idea is, where I live, where this house is, it's in North Georgia. In a very small village. Not much here. Not even a McDonald's is here, so you know it's a small city that has no McDonald's. So it's kind of tough unless you spend maybe a week in Tbilisi and you find out where everything is, where everything you want, drive around, try to find parking. Takes a lot of time. Tbilisi is a small city, but man, it can take a long time to get around. There's one leg. So what I do, I'm in no hurry. I know what I want to buy, so I just take my time and look for it. When I find it, I get it, and then I buy it. So I kind of buy one piece here, one piece there. So I could just buy this house, take another video, show it filled with everything. But if you come to Georgia, you're probably going to have to do like this. I imagine you will have to do like this because you won't know where to buy everything. And even the other day when I was in Tbilisi, coming back from my other property, I went to a store I'd never been in, and it's actually better than the store that I thought was good. So I'm still learning the places to buy things and buy good quality things at cheaper prices. And the closest town here, big town here, is about 22 kilometers away. So you can buy most of the stuff there actually. I think it's a little more expensive. Got the second base on. Put these wheels on. It shouldn't be too difficult. So you can kind of buy things. Still have to go about 22 kilometers, which is not that big of a deal, but it's good if you can buy it in Tbilisi while you're there. I'm missing a nut on this one, so that's not good. I'm missing a nut. Guess I didn't check it out as well as I thought I did. I just had him plug it in for me, see if it worked. It turned on. So, I have to see if I can get a nut at the local hardware store. It's good here. It's a very small town, but they do have a local hardware store that has pretty much everything there also. So not too bad. I got 3. Put the 4th one on and we'll be finished because I don't have a nut for the other wheel. It's going to be kind of unwieldy. Let's see if I get this one on. But so I was saying that you buy something here, you buy something there. That's probably what you're going to have to do if you move to Georgia. Figure out what you want. Try to find out where it is. Not that difficult, but takes a little time. Difficult to buy everything at once, especially if you don't have a van. I have a van. And let's check out this 3-wheel radiator. Oh, look at that. I'll put the other wheel in here just to keep it from tipping so much. So like I said, I'll try to get the screw tomorrow for this, the nut. That's not even going to stay in there. But there it is. Just plug it in and it's ready to warm up. I'll probably have one of these eventually in every room, in the bathroom, just to take the chill off a little bit. Turn this upside down, maybe I got it in the box here. No. missing a nut, but it still works. Check this bag again. Aha! I found it. Beautiful. I found the last nut. Let's get this thing together. Never give up. There it is. Ooh, look at this thing wheeling around and everything. All right, let's fix this camera. So there it is. Buy a piece here, buy a piece there, go here, go there. Takes a while, but if you come here to retire, what else are you gonna do? I do a little bit of work inside, do some work outside, cut some little trees. Now the trees are all flowering, so not much cutting, but the branches I did cut, I'm using for firewood. So there it is, I got a heater. We got the first unboxing. It was quite exciting. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.